Greetings and welcome to Take One Washtenaw. Real time, real information about real estate in one take. Posting for the Ann Arbor Real Estate Associates, this is Caitlin Phillips, and today we're going to take you on a video tour of a home that I'm holding open today, located at 7608 Secretariat, and that is in Saline Estates, located off of US 12 and Moon Road in Saline, Pittsfield Township area. And this is Saline Schools, and this beautiful Toll Brothers built home boasts over 4,000 square feet of living space. Simply stunning, elegant woodwork, beautiful southern charm, lovely molding package here, hardwood floors throughout. The glow from the lamp on the tray ceiling is simply lovely. The property is backing to woods, located in a neighborhood of like-kind similar homes. This beautiful home is on the market today for just a little over $700,000 here in Ann Arbor. And so, or actually Saline, but close enough. And so, beautiful fieldstone fireplace, gas fireplace. You have dual staircase here. This property comes with a walkout lower level, a beautiful easterly facing sun porch, dual staircase, prevent wear and tear on that beautiful staircase up front, first floor laundry, and the second floor of this house is very, very unique and worth a look. So call us today and let me come and take you through this beautiful home personally, and we can take a look at it together. Thanks, 734-395-4990. Make it a great day.